So indirect decompression is very important for our the nowadays surgeries. So we recognize by LRIF. So larger cage insertion make indirect decompression very easy. And this is very powerful too. And so we can do some orthoresis. The everything, so the disc height change and scoliosis correcting, orthoresis correcting, everything we can do. But sometimes very difficult complication occur. Now we adapt that into endoscopic fusion. So the feeling of endoscopic fusion is very difficult or not? So TRIF pref is very difficult because so only we have two hands and the whole is two. Face is only one, but so we will do some nerve root protect and cardiac protect and bone resection and insert cages. It's very tough. And I prefer ERIF. So ERIF is very simple procedure. So cut the SAP only and check the nerve root and only insert cage. The cage direction is like as PPS. And the decompression is indirect decompression. So I will introduce the procedure. 3 steps only. The first step is the SAP partial resection. The second step is the disc reveal. And the third step is cage insertion. I will show you the video. So right side already done, and left side the SAP now we find and cut SAP. Then so remove the SAP. Then we can find the disc first. It's very important. So the same as for lateral. Disc first and check the nerve root is very safe and easy. And the curettes of the disc. And bone graft. And cage insertion. This step only 20 minutes. It's not so difficult because we don't see nerve root and cauda equina. It's very important. So this is a case. We can see the indirect decompression very good, and without it's very important. Without direct decompression is very good for endoscopic surgeon. So this is a figure of the access route. Periphery is the central. UBE is lateral. Face kerif is lateral. All exterior true lateral. Then the second good point. TRIF, the cage direction control, TRIF or KRIF is a little difficult. So TRIF is a straight, KRIF is a too much lateral. But with our procedure, cage direction, we can control very easy. Okay. Curate powerful and big cage we can insert, very good. And the second topics. So now we are inserting 2 cages, so first from both sides, and second now from the single side. I will show the first step is a single side, and 2 step is a both side, and the third step is a boomerang cage and straight cage from the one side. This shows very powerful reduction. And now we are doing the no radiation exposure with navigation assisted cage insertion. It's very easy and simple. And doing for scoliosis surgery, this is a very interesting case. Scoliosis surgery with a pelvic fracture. Summary, brush up endoscopic spinal fusion to cage area is the best option. Thank you so.